Hello everyone, a grand welcome to your channel Civil Unboxing. Today we will see a simple 2.5 BHK house plan having total built up area of 1080 square feet. So without wasting any time, let's see it now. In this 2.5 BHK house plan, we have placed 2 bedrooms with a small study or guest room, one hall cum dining room, one kitchen, one common bathroom with toilet and a big veranda. This north facing plan is made up within an area of 1080 square feet, having the plot size of 45 feet by 24 feet. In this plan, the outer side wall and stair side wall are having the thickness of 9-inch vertical, and remaining all the internal walls, partition walls are having the thickness of 5-inch. Now coming to the east location, there is having a master bedroom with carpet area of 143 square feet. This room is attached with a toilet of 27 square feet, which is shown in this plan. And beside this bedroom, another bedroom of 122 square feet carpet area with a attached toilet of 24 square feet area has been planned. Just keep a look in this plan that there has been placed a common bath cum toilet with 27 square feet area just beside the bedroom at south direction. Similarly, beside the common bathroom, a small study or guest room has been provided with a carpet area of 54 square feet. You can use it as puja room or as separate dining room also. Coming to the north middle side, a kitchen room of 72 square feet area is placed, which is quite big and spacious. At the entrance, a big and spacious drawing cum hall room with approx 218 square feet area has been placed. It is freely accessible with kitchen, bedrooms and upstairs. Just beside the kitchen, a staircase approx 73 square feet has been placed. This is a simple dog-legged staircase with the size of 3 feet of each tread and 7 feet by 3 feet landing dimension. Now coming to the proper ventilation aspect, all the bedrooms having 2 numbers of windows of 3 feet span for each room in crosswind direction. Kitchen is also having a sliding window and wooden window, as well as the internal bedroom walls is having also sliding windows. In toilet, common bathroom, there is having ventilator at suitable locations, so that there is enough scope for air circulation and removal of bad foul gas. Now the main aspect of this plan is to know the approximate construction cost of this house, which is nearly costing about Rs 900 to 1000 rupees per square feet as per general rate, which is considering nowadays. So clearly we can say that the approx cost for this 2.5 BHK house, that is an area of 1080 square feet, is equals to 10,80,000, just considering the construction cost from foundation to first floor only. So this is it all about simple 2.5 BHK house plan. How you like this, please mention in the comment box. Thanks for being with me. Thanks a lot. Stay safe and stay happy.